Do you know how to lock up notes on your iPhone? I'm Kurt the CyberGuy, and I have tips to protect your privacy on all your devices over at CyberGuy.com. That's where you can sign up for my free newsletter. If you've got an Apple iPhone, you may already use the Notes app. I love using it to create checklists, scan documents, and just jot down ideas for later. While I don't recommend that you do this, some people do keep sensitive information on their Notes app, like account passwords or other private info that you don't want anyone else getting their hands on. That's why you should first know how to lock a note on iPhone. First, you're going to want to open the note and then tap these three dots. Then tap Lock. The first time you lock a note, you can choose if you want to enable a password to unlock a note, and if you want Face ID to unlock them as well. Now, sometimes your notes are saved to your iCloud account, which means they're accessible from any Apple device. Be sure to enable two-factor authentication so if anyone does access your iCloud account from another device, you're going to be alerted. You could also enable advanced data protection for your iCloud account. This is a newer feature on the iPhone that uses end-to-end encryption to ensure that your iCloud data and various apps on your phone, including the Notes app, can only be decrypted on trusted devices. To learn how to enable these settings and more ways to make everything on your devices private, head to cyberguy.com, and while you're there, sign up for my free newsletter.